Yeah. Which we on? Yeah, I want to tell you, Daifa. Wabanga Radio Station 91.7 FM. Dan Riga lose Sumo. Penny Barango, same lady, John Stone, Dan Riga, Valisi, Libertad, America. Hagar Sumo. Well, tonight we're going to, Uncle Packy Sports Show tonight, we're going to be short and brief. We got a special guest all the way from America, Diaby, Yaba, Wanigi, Yaba, Wamule. Paul Maximo. Yeah, we're going to give us a little bit of stats and catch up on his back to the back, but take it away.
Yes, good night. Everybody know what's going on, right? We're tired, right, of our last night, right?
Yeah, man. Look, but man, it was a very, very good weekend, man. Starting out, man, fun. First, I want to wish everybody season greetings, everybody from around the world watching this sports show with Uncle Packy. All right, so but no, on my left right there, Paul, good night, man. What's going on, Mumble?
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say good night to everybody and all the listeners out there in the diaspora. It's a pleasure being here tonight with Daifa.
Yeah, you get summons.
And Uncle Packy. Yes, I was summoned just 10 minutes ago, guys, and it's a good thing that I'm always ready, for anything that comes up. But yes, I just want to say good night and welcome everybody to the show.
Yeah, we'll tell her that's how we behave. We just call out, you call we, and we take off like that. But today is not about the great Uncle Packy, man. The youngest MC in the world. That's him right here. And he's no other. Packy, take it away.
Yes, good night. Yeah, we shot and sweet, right? Nothing much happened over this weekend for my sports. Is there any update for me after the last one?
But you know?
Yeah, you know.
You see, this is the thing you want to make to come up with his show, man. Man, I got basketball right now inside the Russell Chester, the tournament. This guy's supposed to send us some stats, but we're not getting no stats for the show tonight. But yeah, got 2 games, 2 weekends gone by right now. Everything level off right now in the Mayors Cup action. I will encourage people to come out to the Mayors Cup because I know the holiday is upon us and but we still gotta stay fit, So Packy will wait for these guys. Send it live, right? Mr. Avila send that thing on. I can't hear my point, no photo because we need to get this thing out together. Okay, brother. Next. Moving on.
The flat tire, right? Moving on, right, for the semi-pro league, January 18th and 19th. Again, I got trial. The 5th January, after the New Year's, trial 10 o'clock, car on the stadium. January 5th.
You talk soft, my brother. Paul, you hear it, man? You hear man talk soft tonight, boy.
Right. You have to talk up, man. Boy.
You have to hear it.
Yes, January 5th,
Correct.
Nakarama Stadium, 10 o'clock, one guy got tryout, right? So we probably begin the 18th and 19th weekend of January 2025. New Year, don't say.
Well, that's not what we talk about, man. You want to know this man? You see, and the man say he tired for last night. The man like Isla Bonita Saturday night, like Isla Bonita, boy.
Yeah, I see all the pictures, but I also want to say I'm happy that this time one at the show where I was summoned to come and participate in it because, of course, you have a lot to do with sports, right? So you know that right down my alley at the same time. But Paki, I also want to say big up to you, brother, because like, your brother, you're one of the youngest statistics I know me know, where I don't know how you did, but your brains open up, brother. Your brains open up, and brother, I don't know, but you have everything on deck. Any question they ask you, you ready for it when it comes to sports. I'm impressed the way how you get done. But congratulations to you. I see the pictures. I see the Kasabe outing over the weekend, and you and Daifa. Mad respect to you, man. I should have made gone, but I decided not to because I was asked to come, but I'm there for a different timing. But again,
if the man gets someone to go back in, we go in.
Alright.
You see? That's why we have to summon the man to come in the studio and go by the road with us. We don't ask the man.
Right. Kira.
you're gonna just carry me, yes, I'm going, but I'm there for a different timing. But I appreciate the the request. But like I said, I'm there for a different speed. So, but when we get the job done, I see the results, and bye. Mad respect to you. Paki again. Daifa again in the house.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you. I like that welcome. I like that. That art, man, that sound good. Uplift me again.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, uplift the man, boy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we talk about the Premier League of Belize is coming up. January when?
January 18 and 19.
Yeah, that's the weekend, and we got 6 teams in this Premier League. Paki, who we got?
They got Wagia, Verde, San Pedro, Port, Progreso, and Bandits.
16, right? So closing season, the opening season, who was the champion and who came up with that one?
Port, defending champion.
Why, so you guys, that's right. Policy.
Again.
You see?
Again.
You see?
You don't got nobody out there better than this young man when it comes to statistics.
Right.
Much respect to you, brother. Cause me, I into it like that, but the way how you have it, your brains, they're what my brains, bro.
Yeah.
Your brains open.
Yeah.
Yes.
The man head no smile for
Yes.
nothing.
Yeah. Alright, take it.
Take it up here, Taka. No. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll talk about semi-pro football coming up the 18th and 19th of January. That's just a few weeks away. I'll get ready for that. When the schedule come out, we have published the schedule so we see. Okay, big up to Robert Ferguson Cup that went through. Big up to the six-a-side Silk Grass and Grassman. Also, big up to the $5,000 crack clash inside the legendary Carl Ramos Stadium. That was a production right there. I think who won that one?
No Ireland, bang the check, proper fix.
What was the score? You got the score for that?
No, but they is the champion. They won the 5,000 clash.
Thank you very much.
Ramos.
Thank you very much, Max. We don't have to write down now. We moving sportsman right now. But that's it for sports. On that, we'll come back to some more sports. But we want to go across the pond, across Mexico, straight to the US now. Paul, let's have basically what's going on in football amongst the Belizean community in the environment. Where they going right now? What championship that happened? Who's leading? Who's the team to beat? What is it looking like? You're going to tell us a little bit about, because we see some of your clips out there with Belizean football. So what's going on with that right now?
Well, basically, what I want to say is that I don't know if the league that we're in right now, if it is diminished or what, but I don't feel the strength in the league or in the games that are going on, because like now I feel like, and this is something where I always say I would have never do. I feel like now I did pick and choose when to play ball, and I was never like that. You understand? Because then the competition, as strong. They where they play the same team there over and over and over, and like I feel like there is no enthusiasm as far as getting even preparing for the games or even going out there to go play. We play the same team over and over, And I know that the person who they run the league, this guy that all about cash. I don't know if that way happen everywhere we probably play, but or where the sports is at. But to me, I feel like we're probably there that just all about money for the man. And that's not set well for me. So I define myself like I said, they pick and choose when I want to play ball now because of course I'm an older person. I turned 54. And like I said, I still play some my pro ball, right? So I don't want to make I go there and because the more you play the same team, eventually one of them will want to hurt you, especially if you beat them over and over. So I said I will pick when I want to play my game there. I have to save my body same way.
Wow, so man. But besides that, we're going deeper into it a little bit now. What are the top teams right now in the top inside that recreational league in LA? Who are the top teams?
Well, we have Scorpions, of course. That's the team where I play upon. We have Griga, yes, Griga FC, sponsored by Sonny Flores and Magambi, yeah. And then we have Real Espana. After the other Spanish team, and we have the other team, another Spanish team, San Pedro. And then there are the 4 top team that we have in the league where we play in right now. And then there are the Belizean team, I think Scorpions and Griga are really the only team we really hear from Belize that represent out there LA.
Yeah, I mean that league out there is a very competitive league. I played in that league long time ago, Paki. You never buy it when I used to play Paki in Czech. For me that league was fun. The league it was a little bit challenging for me. I think that the level at that time was a bigger higher level. So I think when you play with a higher level, your game seems to step up.
Right.
You don't risk as much injury. Everybody understand how to play. Like if you talk about you crash up into man, like man don't really understand how to play the game. So but I'm glad that Griga and Scorpions, those teams from Belize are keeping it down there in the States for us because when we take trips down the Paki, we have a team to play with. I know you're a massage man, they want to make a rubber leg out there.
Massage man, I want that boy.
Right. Yes, one thing what I want to say, right, we have Griga out there, which is a very strong team. The thing is about them is that the recruiting, they pick up brand new players as soon as the players come, and I know these guys have very good players behind them if they were to only work with each other. And when a new player come out there, the foreigner LA, try to make you only give them by a certain amount of time for play. Utilize your players who you already have for the team. Because then I see the potential in a Griga, and I see it long time. But that the new people, the new coming people, then are the one who they get the opportunity to start game, play a game. And then the older guys are the back step for the new guys. And that's the reason why I feel like whenever these new players leave, the whole team go back down. You understand? Because then they don't utilize their own players, that they use the foreign players to make them play and start the game. That demoralize the starters or the people who they've been had for the team. Anyway, that's for another story. Go ahead.
Yeah. Well, Paul, I don't mind if we hang out a little bit more and talk about that right now. But Uncle Paki, what's the last word of part of work for the
Well, I just want to tell people, Happy New Year. Season greetings. Be safe over this weekend, yeah.
Okay.
Well, tomorrow, Latabash New Year Eve. They got thing that rains, Manadal concert. They got thing that LL lunch tomorrow free. And they got thing that Islands, 6 pack, poi, kitchen ready.
Thank you very much, Pap. And that's the youngest ever commentator from Griga right here in the world. We'll pack some and see you again later then.
Yes, I don't think.
Good, so I chit chat, me and Paul chit chat for a little bit, right?
Yeah.
We'll go back to the football in the States right now. We'll talk
Respect.
about that since we,
Respect,
you know.
Yes.
Uncle Pop, later, right?
Yes.
Alright,
Yes,
cool.
I.
Good. Let's talk about now. We'll talk about the football action out there in California, especially. I know other part of the states have the league, right? But it's something I think that. Well, you brought up a valid point, whereby Griga. I don't know if this. So Scarpa do the same thing with Griga, do they?
No, we keep our same players.
But tell me something. These players they work out together as a team. You guys, is it still the same way when man come from every part of? Because I know it's difficult. People work the schedule different. Why team? I know we used to work out on 91st day at Hoover. So I don't know if that still happen.
Well, free recruitment is a little bit different because you're not going out there and start no game before nobody. As a matter of fact, we always want to make sure that you are there out there at least about 6 games before you get to that team. We don't just pick up nobody as they reach. We don't do that because then for the simple fact is that we have a core players for we team where you know they know their position and they know when for going a game. You understand? So we don't try demoralize these guys by bringing in new players to make them come play. We stay with we same team. Yes, there got time when, like I tell you prior, you know, we play with the same teams there over and over. So the energy not there for make man say, well, I have to start this game. So what we do, we try to make the guys there who normally don't start make that then they be before we start as then. You understand?
All right. That's a team. That's
Right.
team.
Right.
That's a team with from the players. And I noticed that Carpan is a little bit more organized. I see that out there when I visited, you know. But let's go to the viewers for a bit, and then we'll take about 5 more minutes, and that's it. You get a layer,
All right.
just like that. Let's
Okay,
go to the
well.
viewers.
Yes.
We got Hans Flores, right? He said the league washed up. No competition, no more at 5-second park for Scorpions.
That's for sure. I just indicated, right? You know, we play the same team there over and over and over. There's really no competition. So we start to just feel like we just play when we want to play. You know, you're not supposed to be like that. But
Well, how if like okay, you seem like the team. So why not go to a different league then? Why not Scorpions since they're so organized? Like I see kudos to Scorpions. Why you guys don't play in a different league? Because that league you guys seem like you outgrown that league.
we have, but what happens is when we talk about different league, we talk about contentment within our position where we feel comfortable with it because the field we played our field where from my part made it play way back in the 70s. So the Belizean people there, we and the Garifuna people there, we feel comfortable over there for the second part. Yes, we look for places for go long time, but we kind of still want to keep it in the same area, you know, because when it comes to traveling, man no want to go way to Griffith Park, man no want to go way to Balboa, man no want to go way far, nowhere, they just want to stay
Alright,
in the neighborhood.
So in a nutshell, it's a recreational league.
Absolutely, yes.
So that's why you rightfully say you play when you want to play.
Yes,
You know,
basically.
basically, yeah. So, but it's fun and at least it's a recreational league, but it's also competitive.
Correct, because as a matter of fact, for we team, the one of the only Belizean team out there where I say they travel. We go wherever we want to go. We go Frisco, we go to Vegas, we go to New York, we go to Chicago. We have plans for all of these places to make it work. People want to see people they carve, we make the play against we because they know that we're one of the most organized team out there at LA. And we are always ready.
Alright, Hans Flores again is one of the reasons we have to play at that location is because that's the only league we know about that pay. They also keep the Belizean community together on a Sunday. I mean, I guess you just talk about that, you know.
Uh-huh.
And then Eleanor Greyston, she's saying that's not right. Hold on to regular players. I guess that's I guess she agree with you.
Like what I said, yeah, absolutely.
Going after regular players. No, I got something different to say about that, right?
Mhm.
If it's a recreational league, then when you see players, good players coming in, because it's a recreational league, right? Maybe you want some added points during that time when a person visits. So you might have some, some weakness here and there. You might want, like what happened to me that foreign the other day, man. I went out there. I was just getting out of shape. I played the entire first half, and I felt good playing the entire second. But I knew that I wasn't in tip-top shape to play the entire game. My mind tell me not go into second half. Not go into second half. And I pulled my muscle in the second half. I pulled my muscle. That's because it wasn't really conditioned enough. And other thing is, I'm not used to playing on turf. I played on turf before on numerous occasions, but for so many years I never played on turf. I had the wrong shoes on. But I did, you mentioned it to me too. But I gotta buy one new shoes for the game. And when I come back, I recover, I buy another new shoes. Because we invest in ourselves, pal. We don't want to borrow no shoes,
Exactly.
So I gotta buy another pair of shoes. But when I got out there, I got out patiently. I'm very patient. I always expect to start, but I never start. So when second half start, and I say, man, not pushing. So I said, you know what, make I just suit down. Not to risk an injury again. Just come off an injury. I just came home. But again, it's recreational and nobody got hurt. But what I'm saying is that it's alright to bring in players, 14 or something. Say for the play scarpers, you don't know. You need certain type of players to play against. So no, not any players, you know what I mean?
Correct. But then you have to realize also that when you guys leave, then you have these same players where, because I do it every week and I hear exactly what they're going on there, right? When the new players they come, then you don't have no space for the guys who've been there, you understand? And then now when you don't have your strength, then you want to call upon these guys to come and bail you out sometimes when things don't happen for the supposedly starters, you understand? And that's one of the reasons why you have to make all your players be a part of your team. You never want to make none of them feel, like they can't do what what the team they ask them to do. Understand? Because then if you continue to keep me the back every time, when you put me up in at the front, I will be just as last because they utilize me like I quite for basically where I come for this team for make I come produce. If you don't utilize me in that aspect there, then for better then it'll be difficult for make I bring me up top.
I guess so. I see your point. I see your point quite clear on that one, Bala. I commend all the teams out there keeping it up. It's not easy to make a keep a team out there like that. It's not easy at all. All right. So well, this time for shout out, man.
Okay. Well, again I want to shout out Scorpions, of course, my squad, and of course I want to give big shout out to Griga as well. Griga accomplished what they wanted to accomplish for some years now. They defeated us, I think, like a few months ago. And I always say I will give you a props, and I feel like they deserve their roles, because they did beat Wing, but we played them the last time, and they had a 3-1 lead over us, and we end up tying the game 3-3. Again, I don't hear nobody say good game, good comeback, but I will give them a pass because then they have a good team at the time. We managed to come back and tie the game at the last minute. But this is the way you're supposed to say, you know what? Make you give the other team credit for their accomplishment. But I hear that. I will be the one who went and say these things for the other opposing team. You understand? Just for
That's
respect.
That's sportsmanship. That's good sportsmanship.
Correct.
We win some, we lose some.
Exactly. So like I said, I give them the flowers. They do their flowers that time when they beat us. And You know, that's just that the nature of the game. Eventually, it may happen. You know?
Certainly. Well, with that said, man, it's been a pleasure, Paul, in the studio. Big up. I want to big up Method and everybody out there. I want to big up Roy the drummer, Nigel, Bowie, SKM Records. You know, I want to big up Asiatic and the boys there. You know, I want to big up the whole party crew. You know, I want to big up my mom. I want to big up my sister. Everybody out there. Have a safe and enjoyable holiday. You know, tomorrow, as you know, tomorrow is our regular Tuesday night show. We're going to be having some giveaways tomorrow. And you know, we're going to be talking our topic for tomorrow. I can't say, we're going to know how we rest. But it's going to be exciting for tomorrow. We will quarrel tomorrow. Tomorrow we will quarrel because this is the time when we try to put people into perspective on things that is happening. That one of the biggest challenges that we have, you know, is that we don't understand each other. People that live in the United States don't understand us here in the police because your life is so busy out there, you don't even have time for yourself.
That is true. That is true. I tell you something, man. Everybody, everywhere else seems that, you know, we're that foreign. And guys, we work. We're not just the hang out. We work. Like idea every single year, right? I try for at least make I coincide, at least for my own sanity then, you understand? Because I'm gonna stay out there and just deal with bills, but you have to put aside and treat yourself because you tell yourself you work hard enough and you deserve to treat yourself somehow. As we have a family there, right? Gonna find it, you know, hard for me to come home, even for me to come say hello. Understand? We just can't stay out there. Whatever we need to do, prepare ourselves somehow and we'll come home. Even if that's for a week, 2, 3 months or whatever, see how we could come this side and be a part of where we come from. Guys, it's very important. We lose darn near everything that we have. So we need to keep it and retain it. Yes.
Yeah, you're absolutely right on that, right on point, Paula. You know, just to rejuvenate, refresh yourself out here in Riga.
Absolutely.
You know, you go and see, take a long drive through the highways. The highways are good now. You go to Placencia in minutes, say Brighton in minutes, Hopkins in a minute. Alright, so we encourage every single person out there. My last message though. Please, you cannot win in our states. So when you come here, when you come out, don't try instilling no values over the power because we're not ready for that.
Right.
Yeah, that if you try that, you have problems. You disrespect each other. Certain things you don't like to say, because there are reasons behind it happening. We don't might have the first thing, we don't have the resources to fix anything. It's quick to say when you go say problems, or you go say different issues. It's easy for you from outside to see. But the people inside, they're not because they don't want to fix it. It's because they affect them.
Mm-hmm.
When something affects you, you don't want to fix it, right? One like the most natural, that's how you feel. You know? So it's just like the roads where people complain the road's bad. We'll come fix it. We ride or we bike or we motorcycle. But I see a road there. When we have the money, when we're ready, we'll fix it. Some of us can complain about it. The other thing is about the mosquito. I just killed 2 mosquitoes. Right? I don't come and complain about it because they're not going nowhere. Them there, one of them there. So they're not going nowhere. And that's the thing. You see something that you need to get fixed. Fix it. Don't complain about it. Alright? We are one people, but we think different because we're different places. But the only thing that separates us is the way we live now. We have the same clean heart, we have the same good intention for each other, we love each other, you know, but please do not cause friction. When you come and then you try to force down your values, you force down think that we are in a war. And trust me, you don't need war right now. Right?
Yes, one thing also, guys, when you come here, regard the police in general, guys, if you see somebody who need or need help, try and make without criticizing people, because like I always say, we don't know what the people been through or what they go through. If you could lend a helping hand, give a dollar here or there, we know some of them will come back. Just tell them, brother, I have to share with everybody. Understand? I can't give you all because they have more people out there who need or need help. We have to help. Man, you know, my own. You don't have to be stingy with each other. Just give whatever you can, and trust me, you will give blessings. Yes.
Yeah, man, it's going on and on and on. And everything that happened over there happened here, you know. It looks like it's blown up over. It's blown up here. Everything happened here, blow up because we're not used to it. Someone get killed. That happened right now. If you don't Google right now, 100 people get shot tonight by the States. You understand? But that doesn't mean it have to happen here. Times are changing. Why? No, we got the best people that migrated. You guys are the best people that migrated. Hands down. I don't know about lazy up on yourself out there, please. You don't know Trump done the say it was sent on home. We are ready for home because we're gonna go fishing, we're gonna farm together. So I'm not afraid for come home. Don't run for them, man. If Trump sending them home, especially those who were lazy themselves, the one who don't work, you guys could stay. Stay in the States, help your families, help yourself. But please, the lazy one Nepal, we will welcome them.
And we are welcome everybody. Everybody on the welcome back home. Please,
Yeah.
on the come home. Everything you out here, we got the sea out here. We go catch your fish. We still got a farm, guys. We might just have to go farther back
But Hegu.
where I eat.
Hegu.
Right? Where I eat. We still got we can eat banana, put plantain, everything's still there. So
Yeah.
we got food here. We definitely got food at this place. You know, as easy as it used to be, but I'm here. Still here.
We are reading out these two more comments right. Eleanor Grace Sunday said, well said. Go to Saltwater. I had fun in PG last year. Pick up yourself from PG. Christina Arana. Happy New Year, guys. From Miss Chris.
That's my
name.
my cousin. That must be my cousin.
Yeah.
I gotta be my cousin.
It is your cousin, Miss Chris. Yeah. Chris Arana, why? Then Eleanor Grierson, again, they were biting them before they came here in the state. I love my state when I'm there.
That's right. Guys, gonna come home. This place is beautiful. It is one beautiful place, guys. Who go argue?
You
You
go.
gotta come home.
Manu for the woman.
Right.
Manu for the woman. This is love. I ain't banned this in the other. Alright? So I want to leave it up to you, Paul. Say your party words to the people. Very good sports show tonight. Straight to the point from Uncle Bucky. He has to run. But me and Paul hold it down for the man just now. Any party words to our people? Any shout out? You know you shout out to your wife, Paul.
Well, of course, that no doubt. You know, my wife, Shar Maximo. I want to thank she very much. You know, thank her a lot. You know that the engine behind me.
She's here with you. She's here in town too, right?
Yes, she is here with us, and she's by her family, but I know she's listening somewhere. So I have to give her props too. She definitely deserves that. And like I said, she that the engine behind where I go and what I do. You know, so I'm most grateful for her. I have my Scorpionites, I call them, my Scorpions family.
All right.
You know, big up to the Grigas people as well. You know, and I forget to know. I don't want to forget me, but I don't forget to know at all because I was once there. I played for Griga for over 34 years. Yeah, I played for Griga for over 34 years, and I had to leave eventually. You know, because of I don't know, management situation or whatever. But I try to put that behind me, but still have mad love for them because after all, I am from Griga.
Griga Alicia, me say.
Yes.
That is. Alright. Now, I gotta go. Rhonda is saying, Rhonda Rodriguez is saying, pick up herself, pal. She's saying hi tonight, right?
Yes, thank you very much, Robert.
Alright, cool. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say, we're sitting on the name, we're how soon we get. Mabriga, how soon we get to do him. We by the Lagi, what? New Year, right? It's your room. Lagi Serum, right? So, it was a pleasure. Tune into the show tonight. It's gonna be hot. Giveaways tomorrow. It's gonna be hot tonight. Tomorrow, gang what will we're vex tomorrow. Alright?
Yes, I also want to say big up to my Bali, Elliot Macaz, Yes.
Makadi?
Yes, man. Macas, that my boy. That
You get the thing soon? Anybody here?
Yeah.
Boy, you want to take long now?
No worry about that. Yeah, come. One thing here, bring it
I
through.
don't-
Yeah, my tech lead.
Boy, long time no
Yeah,
show
but
to me, boy.
I have to show to my body, man. I used to have Maxwell McKin, and Plastic.
Ah!
Guys, those are my three buddies.
The boys are listening
My
right
three
now.
buddies, yes.
The boy listening.
Plastic, Max, Macas. Yes, I want to say big shout out to Key School Spot. Don't forget it, guys. Please come and support. Remember, him there long ahead of everybody. So continue to support the man. Nadia,
Why?
big thing, big up respect for you to Nadia.
1 hour ago time.
Yes, Miss Hattie. You know, I don't forget your sister. Can't forget Hattie. Can't. But anyway, guys.
You don't forget,
Yes,
pal. You
yeah.
forget.
What?
Oh, your sister. Oh, Auntie June.
Oh, my aunt,
Boy.
my traveling auntie.
I know she locked in.
My traveling auntie boy. She always up at the movie though.
But in London.
But she, yes, cousins. I know you guys was here when I got here. You guys came to come pick me up. I appreciate it. I was grateful. But I know my auntie to travel right now. That's the way she do. She loved the road. She loved the heights.
So she like Lake Road.
Yeah. Quick run too, sometimes uninformed, she just pick up and go.
Yeah.
But anyway, I love all of you, and I want to celebrate the New Year's bright, happy, be careful. Stu, I think about you, brother. I say the accident, I'm glad you come out of that unscathed. That just the vehicle damage, but my brother, glad you was safe. Yes, much respect to everybody who's tuning in, and take care of yourself. Happy New Year, and be safe.
Ayo.
Blessed.
Ayo, no do him. Ayo.
Dale.